Welcome to 7-Eleven's Math Moment. Today students continued to work with word problems where they needed to find the percent of a number. So we're going to look at example 1. It says a book is marked $20 at a local bookstore. So I know that the book is $20. Claire pays 17% tax. How much does she pay in tax? So 17% tax, it would be 17% of the price. So that's sometimes hard for students to wrap their mind around because real world situations with them, they don't have to purchase a lot of things where they have to pay tax. So reminding them that when they take tax, it's 17% of the item or 10% of the item or of the total. So that word of, again, helps me think of multiplication in math. So 17%, written as a decimal, 1700ths, of the total, which would be 20, the total cost of the book, would give me how much she's going to spend in tax. So this turns it into a pretty simple multiplication problem where I'm just taking 20 times 1700ths. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2 is 14. I'm done with my 7, so I cross it out and add a placeholder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. And so I'm going to go ahead and add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4, and 1 plus 2 is 3. I need two numbers behind the decimal for my answer to be correct. So x equals 340. All right, now what that tells me is because I'm working in money for $20, 17% of that money is the same as $3.40. So again, thinking before I decide that my answer is correct, thinking about if it's reasonable, 17% is pretty far away from 100. 17 out of 100 is far away. So my answer should be pretty far away from 20. $3.40 is a lot less than $20 itself, so it helps me know that I'm on the right track. Okay, now if the question were to ask us what is Claire's total, then we would have a second step where we'd have to add the price of the book with the tax amount to get a total. But in this problem, it just says how much does she pay in tax. So my answer is just $3.40. Example 2 says Terry must save 60% of his paycheck. So 60% of his paycheck for college. His most recent paycheck was $145. So 60% of his paycheck, and his paycheck was this much. So that makes me think 60% of 145. Now it says how much will Terry save for college from this paycheck. So I need to figure out what is 60% of 145. So I know when I'm working with math, my percent turns into a decimal. So it'd be the same as 60 hundredths. Of means times, and then I have my whole, which is 145. So now I need to do some math, which I could just take 145 times 6, cross that 0 off for now, add it back on. Remember that strategy? 6 times 5 was 30, so I carried the 3. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 27, carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. I need to add that extra 0 back on. And then I have one number behind my decimal, or excuse me, two numbers behind my decimal in my problem. So I need two numbers behind my decimal in my answer for a total of $87. Now, before I decide, yes, that is correct, I need to make sure that it seems reasonable. 60% is more than half, so it's closer to 100 than 50% would be. So I want it to be a little bit more than 1/2 of 145. So 145, if I were to cut that in half, 87 is a little bit more than that. So I know that I'm on the right track and my answer is reasonable. So he's going to save $87 from that paycheck. If you have any other questions about this lesson, make sure to see your math teacher.